Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send Solana from Coinbase to Binance in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know Solana is one of the fastest growing blockchains, and moving your assets between exchanges like Coinbase and Binance is a key skill. This guide is straightforward, but always double check everything to keep your funds safe. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have Solana in your Coinbase wallet. Log into your Coinbase account and head to the dashboard. Look for the Send or Withdraw option. It's usually right there on the main page. Select Solana from your list of assets. Pro tip: always verify that you're choosing the correct network. For Solana, it's the Solana network only. Next, you'll need your Binance wallet address. Open your Binance app or website, go to your wallet, and find the Solana deposit address. Copy that address carefully. Mistakes here can lead to lost funds forever. Back on Coinbase, paste this address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Solana you want to send, and don't forget to check the network fees. They can vary based on blockchain congestion. Before you hit confirm, review everything: the address, the amount, and the network. Once you're sure, go ahead and confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification from Coinbase. Now, switch over to Binance and check your wallet. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the Solana to show up, depending on network traffic. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your Solana. Remember, crypto is all about security, so enable two-factor authentication on both platforms and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you next time.